Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Now the Constituent Assembly, very important topic. A Constituent Assembly or Constitutional Assembly is a body or assembly of popularly elected representative which is assembled for the purpose of drafting or adopting a constitution. Similar document, a Constituent Assembly is a form representative democracy. That means this Constituent Assembly includes the representatives people's representatives. It's more like democratic. And why they were elected? Who could draft the constitution or the same document, right? And it's a living document. Now the composition of the Constituent Assembly. Composition of Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly consists of 389 members, of which 292 were elected by the elected members of the Provincial Legislative Assembly, while 93 members were nominated by princely states. And the composition of the Constituent Assembly, first of all, let's see number of states. But before I start this, there is a quote by Dr. Ambedkar, who was the chairman drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. I feel that the Constitution of India is workable, it is flexible, and it is strong enough to hold the country together, both in peacetime and in the wartime. But you know, Indian Constitution is flexible. I know it could be changed, but it's a very long procedure. So we could say that it is a rigid one also. Why all these being taken care at that time of drafting? Because it should not be easily changeable. At the second moment or the first moment, we are very easy to change it. So it is flexible, that changes could be made, but it's a very long procedure. That is why it is rigid also. So he was right that this constitution was made that which could hold the country together, whether it is peaceful time or the time of war. And there are 28 states and 8 union territories in the country, and union territories are administered by the president through an administrator appointed by him or her. And from the largest to the smallest, each state, UT of India, has a unique demography, history and culture, dress, festivals,